It's the Texas weather discussion video for Friday, the 16th of February. I'm Donovan Neal. Temperatures fall throughout the day today with chances of rain, mainly during the late afternoon to evening hours. And then we have some major chances of rain during this weekend. And then we have a chance of a few showers almost every day from that point forward. Let's talk more about that. Here's the upper air pattern here. We do have a few clouds here lingering here in North Texas. Should be cloudy for most of the day, but in our synoptic scale pattern, we have a trough in the west, an area of high pressure in the Gulf of Mexico, and southwest flow aloft here where we're at, and that will create chances for a few showers almost every day this week. And temperatures as of 5:06, Arlington 59, DFW 65, mostly in the mid 50s to mid 60s across the board this morning. But don't be fooled by this. A cold front will come from the north this morning, and temperatures will actually go the wrong way a little bit today, throughout the day today. We'll start the day in the mid 60s, and then we'll end up in the mid 50s. Throughout the day today. Across the nation, most of the cold air stays to the north of us, and I do think for a while, most of the really cold Arctic air will stay to the north of us. And here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday of next week. While you may think that the bullseye is really in our area, it just stays just to the east of us, where in the Arklatex area, they're expected to have 4.5 inches of rain at most over the course of this week. But in our area, we still could see 2.5 inches of rain in parts of North Texas, higher amounts, of course, to the east of us. But we'll certainly take any rain that we can get, because from last week, the drought monitor from last week to this week really hasn't improved over the course of 7 days. So we'll definitely take any rain that we can get. 2.5 inches of rain, 3 inches of rain, not out of the question in this parts of the region. So let's go out to the model output. Let's talk about it. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at noon at 500 millibars. We have a ridge in the Gulf of Mexico. We have troughing up in the north, and down here we do remain dry during the afternoon hours. But if we go to the HRRR models at 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock this late afternoon, you can see we have a band of a few showers. We have a band of a few showers to the north of DF, really for our northern counties at 4 o'clock, but we still could see a few showers and storms during the early evening hours, so that's not completely out of the question. High temperatures should still be in the mid 50s. And through Saturday, once the cold front comes through, this is our big chance of rain for this week on Saturday, mostly during the morning hours. This is the high res NAM at 3 o'clock on Saturday. You could see scattered to perhaps numerous showers and storms throughout the early morning at pre-dawn hours on Saturday. And hopefully this will be a big rain event where we should see rain amounts to 1.5 inches of rain in parts of North Texas. And again, most of this comes through the early morning hours, and we should trend drier during the afternoon hours, though I think we could see a few showers lingering during the late afternoon hours. And this is Sunday at 9 o'clock a.m. And you can see we still have a chance for a few showers and storms about in North Texas. Again, scattered in nature. Most of them will come during the early morning hours, and we trend dry during the afternoon and evening hours. And let's go up to Monday of next week. This is Monday the 19th. We have a 1,000 millibar area of surface low near Des Moines, Iowa, and we still could see a few showers during the day on Monday. Let's go out to Tuesday. Rain starts to increase in intensity. We could see a few thunderstorms from that rain mass on Tuesday. High should be in the upper 60s. Wednesday, that clears our area, though I I do think we could see a few lingering showers here and there. Wouldn't hurt to see some. Here's a week, and from Thursday. And on Thursday, we do trend a little bit drier. I still think we could see a shower or two on Thursday. Highs should be in the low 60s. Should barely see any rain should barely see any clouds this week. Here's a week from today, Friday the 23rd of February. We still have the same upper air pattern here. We have troughing in the west, ridging in the Gulf of Mexico, and in the southwest flow aloft, and that will create chances of showers and storms even throughout the day on Friday. Here's the end of the 10-day forecast period on Monday, the 26th of February. We still have the same pattern, and we still have chances of rain on Monday. But we do issue a word of caution as we take a look at the European ensemble on Friday, the 19th of March. I know this is way out into voodoo country. But we do issue a word of caution. While you may think that the increase in temperatures will get you in the mood of thinking, "Wow, we're done with really cold Arctic air for a while," the European ensemble shows that we could see a few chances of a few Arctic blasts during mid-March. So, just to issue a word of caution, we're not completely done with winter yet. We still could see a few very cold snaps, but we don't see any of that through the rest of February into early March, as temperatures pretty much stay warm through the rest of February. We warm up to Monday. Up to Monday the 19th, we should be in the mid 50s. After that, cold front comes through, and after that, we should stay seasonably warm for this time of the year. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in the blog. My next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. Monday morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day. Have a great weekend, and Godspeed.